you looking to master the game of affiliate marketing? Well, you've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, we'll unravel the secrets to becoming a pro in affiliate marketing. Firstly, it's essential to grasp the fundamental concept of affiliate marketing. This strategy is all about promoting products of other businesses and bagging a commission for every single sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a mutually beneficial situation for both the company and you, the affiliate marketer. The next step on your path to affiliate marketing mastery is choosing the right niche. It's not just about picking a popular one, it's about focusing on a niche that sparks your interest and aligns with your knowledge. This alignment makes the task of crafting valuable content that resonates with your audience a breeze. Once you've got your niche, it's time to establish a robust online presence. This could be through a variety of platforms, social media, a blog, or even a YouTube channel. The secret ingredient here is consistency. Consistently churning out high-quality content is your golden ticket to attracting and retaining a loyal following. But don't stop there. To truly master the game of affiliate marketing, it's vital to keep an eye on your results and fine-tune your strategies. Use analytics tools to keep a tab on your progress and tweak your strategies as needed. This will ensure you're always on top of your game, maximizing your earning potential. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to mastering the game of affiliate marketing. Remember, understanding the basics, choosing the right niche, building a strong online presence, and continuously optimizing your strategies are your keys to success. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights, tips, and tricks on mastering the game of affiliate marketing.